Hello guys, welcome to Jesus Kitchen. Today guys, ako'y maglalaga ng pork buto-buto guys, no. Ito guys, ribs. I have here 500 kilograms of pork ribs. Yan. Also, I have also my pichay, mga sahog. So, simpleng luto lang to guys, no. Pichay lang nilagay ko. Tapos yung ibang ricados pa guys, no. Very fresh yung karne natin guys, tingnan nyo. Yan. So, palambutin ko muna to guys ng ilang oras guys. Hey. Welcome guys. So, yan na guys. Ito na yung ating karne. Yan. Palambutin ko na siya guys, no. Yan. So yun na guys, kumulo na guys, no. Palambutin natin. Ilagay ko na ito yung ating ibang ricados para malasa guys, no, paglagay mamaya pag maluto na. So antayin lang natin guys ang pinaka sahog nito na pichay. Yan. Again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa aking channel, Jesus Kitchen. Hey. Ito na ang ating nilagang buto-buto na may ceiling green. Ito na guys ang ating nilagang buto-buto na mga ribs guys, oh. Napakasarap na yung ating nilagang guys. Pinaka-ribs. Yan ang lambot na guys. Medyo manghang-hanghang konti guys kasi mayroon tayong nilagay na ceiling green. Hehehe guys. Ang sarap guys, oh.